Very good morning, or rather now a very good afternoon to all of you. So, being a Mumbaiker, one of our favorite things to talk about is traffic. And the reason I allude to traffic is very simple. When I look at, the typical conversations that happen between business and IT today around application development, I'm sure they are very similar to the conversations that are happening in the mind of the business guy and the IT guy as the metro is being built out. And why do I talk about this, right? So imagine the IT guy is the metro construction guy, and the business guy is essentially the guy who is wanting, all of us Mumbaikars wanting the metro to be built. So what do the conversations start off with? When do we want the metro? Oh, we wanted it as of yesterday. Can I touch the legacy systems when the metro is being built? No. The business as usual has to continue. We will commute on the same roads for with whatever traffic and volumes that we have. But you should build the application. And the IT guy, one very simple thing that he has is whenever business comes with any problem, when will certain things get delivered? Oh wait, the metro is being built. The IT application is being built. It will solve everything in the future, right? I think, but while we jest about it, I think this has been a very common problem in the past few years, especially when it comes to technology. If you look at, bhaiya, slide thoda aage karo. Achha. Oh, okay. If you look at, an IT conversation that used to happen in IT or in boardrooms about 20 years ago, it was about simple operationalization of processes, right? IT would come in and say that, we can automate this, we can automate this particular process, and they would be the ones who would be kind of leading an innovation or a thought change. Today, as technology has evolved, if you truly think about it, thought changes, there is nothing that is in the realm of impossible anymore. Technology comes in, a voice-based technology comes in, digitization has happened over the past few years. Essentially, what it boils down to is that business is coming up with new thoughts every day. And the server room or the IT room is saying that it will take us some time to implement. And what are the typical challenges because of which these implementation hurdles exist, right? Obviously, as the demands scale up, more and more technologies come into play. Skilled developers of a particular technology are not available. There is a reliance on software vendors, more and more software vendors to cobble together a particular solution. And, obviously, as IT folks continue to develop, the business requirements continue to evolve. So this is a common friction that exists today. And what does it lead to? Essentially, what it leads to is a problem that we are very well aware of. Essentially, what it leads to is wait times and cost overruns, right? So, भैया ये क्या है? And this is some research that we pulled from Gartner and Forrester today, right? And if you look at the research points, what you will see is that typically, even with accelerated agile development, even with accelerated development practices, we still look at application development happening in the 6 to 24 month time frame. And some of the hurdles that are there are very visible and very common. 20 years ago when I joined IT application development, we used to do IT application development in mainframes. And we used to have absolutely the same conversations when it came to the challenges. Technologies have evolved, but the conversations remain the same. The conversations remain around what would the screens look like, what would be the integrations that the application would need to do, what would be the infrastructure that needs to be deployed, what is the team that would work on this particular application development, and obviously security and the changes in requirements and handover of code from legacy to new, etc. So it is amazing that with all the advances in technology, and I'll take a pause here for a second, and I'll just talk about how the world has changed around us today, right? The world has changed around us today in ways we didn't have even imagined 20 years ago. As recently as 10 years ago, if we were discussing about mobile banking in a big way, then half the people in the room would have been wondering, "Ye kya bol raha hai?" Because that was not even imagined. But today, mobile banking is a been there,